Pilipinas. Not only the Philippines na sinasabi ko po, hindi around the Southeast Asia po. Kaya let's check it on. Come on.
Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now. A little stronger now.
Say hi guys! At ayun mga YouTubers, nandito na po kami sa destination. Akalain mo yun yung isa sa oldest bell, not only in the Philippines, but all around the Far East Asia, ay matatagpuan lang dito sa Camalaniugan. Bali kasama ko pa.
Ginagawa mo!
At gayon mga tots, dito ko na po tatapusin ang vlog for today. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe!